everybody. My name is Dikshit, studying 3rd standard. Today I am going to say Ganesh Pancharatnam. Mudakaratamudagam Sadabhimukti Sadagam Kalagaravadamsakam Vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayagam Vinashite Badaityakam Natashubashunamsakam Namamitam Vinayakam Nadetaraati Bhikaram Navodhitarkabhashwaram Namatsurari Nirjanam Naladikapudatduram Sureshwaram Nidishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Tamashraye Paratparam Nirandanam Samastaloka Shankaram Nirastadaitya Kunjaram Daredarodaram Varam Vareba Vaktramaksharam Kripakaram Kshamakaram Mudakaram Yashaskaram Manaskaram Namaskritam Namaskaromi Bhaskaram Akinchanaati Marjanam Chirantanokti Bhajanam Purari Purvanandanam Surari Garva Sarvanam Prapanchanasha Bhishanam Dhananjayati Bhushanam Kapoladana Varanam Bhaje Purana Varanam Nitantakanti Dantakanta Mantakanti Katmajam Achinta Rupa Mantahin Mantaraya Krundanam Sridandare Nirandanam Vasantameva Yoginam Tamekadam Vichintayami Santatam. Thank you. Happy Ganesha Chaturthi.